disconnect the battery, disconnect the negative terminal, use an 8mm wrench, and disconnect that. Just slide it out of the way. All right, let's remove this panel. I'm going to use a trim tool, take these clips out. Okay, take this panel off. Take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. And there's 4 of these twist retainers. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist it about 1/4 of a turn. And there's another one down here underneath. And 2 over here as well. And just grab the trim over on the side. You're just going to pull it forward. Just like that. It's clipped in right there on the sides. Do the same for the other side. And it just slides right off. Now, if your lines are this bad, you're going to need to replace the lines as well. We're just going to have to cut these. So if your cooler fittings were this bad, when you were doing the lines, you're going to need to replace the cooler as well. You're not going to be able to break those free. We need to take this panel off. I'm going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath these push pins. And you can just pull it back a little bit if you want, or you can take the whole panel off. Just get under that wire clip, take that off, and this push pin. Oops. And just slide this out of the way and pull these lines out of this retainer right here, just like that. And that can stay right there. And take this panel off, use a 15mm socket, take these bolts out. There's 4 bolts. Slide that down. Take a 10mm socket. There's 2 bolts on the side of the transmission. Then take this shield off. Take those bolts out. Right, pull that shield down. There's some retainers that hold these together. Take these clips off. And there's another one right here. And there's a bracket right here. Just try to slide both these lines out of the bracket. And same with the other one. You can use some pliers to try to help move that bracket. And just pop the line out. That. Now on the transmission, there should be a cover that goes over the fitting. This vehicle doesn't have that cover. And then just take a 90-degree pick and try to get the little clip out. There we go. Pull that clip off of there. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath, and then just grab the line, just wiggle it out. Some fluid might come out. Now this line is loose. Now take this part of the line. And just slide it over here. Now we can try to snake this out from the front. You're gonna have to twist it. Just try to get it around. That's why you disconnect the battery, because you don't want it to arc out on the starter. Oh, this is coming out pretty easy. And just slide it out. Right, now we'll take the new line and just reroute it the same way the old one came out. And just try to get it close to where it needs to be. And before we attach it in the back, you need to slide this over this bar, just like that. Now the line's in position. Before we put the line into the fitting, we need to put this clip back on. So just line that up. And it's locked in place. Get the line close and push it in. Make sure it locks in. And grab it and try to pull it out, and it's good. And we can put this little cover on. That's going to hold that retainer in. It's good. Now we can put the line back in the bracket over here. And lock it in. And same with the other line. That's good. This bracket is going to go right here. And then take the other one, it's going to go over here. That's good. All right, take this shield, put that back in position, put the bolts in, and snug those up. And this cover, bolts in. Tighten these bolts down. Take that plug off. If you have to reinstall that clip, install the clip. Get this lined up. Lock it in place. Put the retainer over there. Cover. And then line this up. Push it in. Now take this cover. Reinstall this if you took it out completely. Slide this in position and push the push pins back in position. Make sure that stays out. Alright, that's good. Push this wire tie down in. Alright, take the grill and line it up. Get this lined up on the side and just twist these. There's 4 of them. And take this bolt. Get that started. And tighten it down. And put this cover back on. And take all the push pins, put all the push pins back in. Now let's reconnect the battery. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. You're good to go. After you're done, you're going to want to check the transmission fluid level. Start the vehicle, let it run, pull this dipstick out, wipe it off. And there's 2 areas right here. This is the hash marks where the fluid level should be when it's hot. And when it's cold, it should be down here. You can top off the fluid with the appropriate fluid, get that information from your owner's manual, and adjust accordingly.